In this video, I will show you about the Monopoly Go last level. In the classic board game Monopoly, there is not specific last level, as it is a continuous gameplay experience rather than a structured level-based game system like in video games. However, Monopoly is typically played until there's only one player left who hasn't gone bankrupt. That player is then declared the winner. The objective of Monopoly is to buy properties, collect rent from others, players who land on your properties, and strategically manage your money and assets to bankrupt your opponents. This game continues with players taking turns, rolling dice, moving the game pieces, and making decisions based on the properties they land on. While Monopoly does not have distinct level, the game does progress as players acquire more properties, build houses and hotels, and engage in negotiations and trade with other players. The game ends when all but one player have gone bankrupt, and that remaining player is considered the winner. Remember, Monopoly is a popular game with various additions and rule variations, so the specific rules and gameplay mechanics may vary slightly depending on the versions you are playing.